Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best watering can on Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Cado 63065 2 gallons watering can. This best watering can for gardens features a full 2 gallons of capacity. This Cado watering can will let you cover a ton of territory with water before you have to head back to the tap. Simply stick the hose in the hole on the top and fill it. A pair of burly handles make it relatively easy to carry and control as you dispense the water. With 2 gallons inside, the whole thing will weigh nearly 17 pounds, which doesn't sound like much now, but that's a real forearm workout when you're carrying it around the yard. The large spout has an array of holes that simulates gentle rainfall as you pour the water. It's not particularly precise, but this is primarily meant for outdoor plants, which typically get their hydration from rainfall, so it shouldn't be an issue. It is made of plastic, but that means it can survive bumps without enduring dents. The plastic material is UV resistant, so it won't dry up and crack unless you leave it in the sun for an irresponsible amount of time. Number 2. Our second best pick is Homarden 40 ounces. Copper-colored watering can. Reaching up over your head with a watering can isn't always fun. This best watering can for hanging baskets. The Homarden holds 40 ounces of water, which won't tax your deltoid muscles as you try to reach up to a hanging basket. Because it's meant for this much water, it's easier to pour than if you simply don't fill a bigger can all the way. The copper exterior will only get more attractive as it ages. It's also durable, so you can use it indoors and outside. The handle is on the thin side, but it also has a large radius, so you can hold it at a variety of angles, which makes for easier water dispensing. The precisely cut hole in the top of the can is easily big enough to fill with a garden hose or in the sink, but it's small enough and located in such a spot that it won't splash water onto your head as you reach up to water those geraniums or other hanging baskets. Number 3. Our third best pick is Megawater 1 gallon galvanized steel watering can. For the best outdoor watering can, you want more capacity, and this classic can accommodate up to a gallon at a time. That much water can get heavy as you move around the yard, so the Megawater offers a pair of handles to make it easier to tote. The sturdy steel construction has an electrostatic spray coating on its exterior that will resist wear from the sun and other outdoor elements. For typical watering, you can leave the spout in place and shower water from the holes to simulate rainfall. If you need more precision, simply pull out the spout and pour a steady stream of water exactly where you want it. Because it's galvanized, the can should resist rust, even if you manage to damage the exterior coating by banging it against the ground or a rock. Treat it right and this can last until that sapling you planted this year turns into a giant tree that shades your entire yard. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fasmov 13.5 ounces stainless steel watering can. You'll need the best watering can for succulents to water them around the base, which makes the precision that comes from this Fasmov stainless steel watering essential. The extra-long 6-inch beak has its opening facing upward, which allows for extreme precision when pouring. You can fully avoid accidental pours, which can have a detrimental effect on water-efficient succulents. Despite its relatively small capacity, this attractive model still offers a chunky, easy-to-grip handle, which further adds to its accuracy. It's not meant for outdoor plants and it doesn't have any nozzle attachments, but that shouldn't matter too much since it's only meant for indoor use. Because it's made of brushed steel and offers a super modern design, you don't have to hide it under the sink when it's not in use like you do that old can you bought at an estate sale with a big ugly daisy printed on it. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Haws handy indoor plastic watering can. The design of this best indoor watering can look familiar. The company has made a metal outdoor version for decades. This Haws handy design is built for balance, so when it's filled with up to 24 ounces of water, it's easy to handle. When things get out of balance, it's easy to spill your water or dump too much into the plant, which can cause a mess and harm your plants. The spout is removable, so you can add it when you want precision. Some plants, like African violets, don't want their leaves to get wet during the watering process, which makes the long nozzle attractive. Ferns, on the other hand, want wet leaves so you can ditch the spout and give the whole plant a good soak. Because of its relatively small capacity, it's great for small plant collections or even for kids to use since it won't get overly heavy, even when it's all the way full. The oval-shaped opening on the top makes it simple to fill, while a tall flange keeps water from spilling out of the top, even when you're walking with it filled to the brim. If you have a veritable indoor jungle of plants, you might want to go with something with more capacity for fewer trips back to the sink. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.